Welcome to Video Equipment Basics. In this series, we'll explore the essential gear you need to create professional quality videos. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, understanding your equipment is the first step toward producing better content. Good equipment doesn't guarantee good content, but it does remove technical barriers. Poor audio quality, shaky footage, or bad lighting can distract viewers from your message. Investing in the right tools helps you focus on what matters most, telling your story effectively and keeping your audience engaged. Professional video production relies on three essential elements: camera, audio, and lighting. These three pillars work together to create the foundation of quality content. Each plays a crucial role, and neglecting any one of them will show in your final video. Let's explore each pillar in detail. Your camera captures the visual story. When choosing a camera, consider your budget, the type of content you'll create, and the resolution you need. Most modern cameras shoot at least 1080 pixels, but 4K resolution is becoming the standard. Look for good autofocus capabilities, especially if you'll be recording alone. The best camera is the one you'll actually use consistently. Audio quality is often overlooked but incredibly important. Built-in microphones rarely produce broadcast quality sound. Invest in a dedicated microphone like a lavalier mic for interviews or a shotgun mic for directional recording. Position your microphone correctly, usually 6 to 8 inches from the speaker's mouth. Always test your levels before recording to avoid surprises in post-production. Lighting transforms your videos from amateur to professional. The industry standard is 3-point lighting: a key light for main illumination, a fill light to soften shadows, and a backlight to separate your subject from the background. LED panels are versatile and energy efficient, making them ideal for beginners. Ensure consistent color temperature across all your lights, typically around 5600 Kelvin for daylight or 3200 Kelvin for warm indoor lighting. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to start. For cameras, entry-level mirrorless or DSLR cameras deliver excellent quality. For audio, a good condenser microphone costs between $100 and $300. For lighting, affordable LED panels start around $50 each. The key is choosing gear that fits your budget while meeting your quality standards. Beginners often ignore audio quality, spending all their budget on cameras. Others buy expensive equipment they don't know how to use. Don't neglect cable management or backup power supplies. Avoid mixing different color temperatures of light in one shot. Start simple with one camera, one microphone, and basic lighting, then upgrade gradually as you improve your skills and understand your actual needs. Begin by understanding your equipment thoroughly before purchasing. Rent or borrow gear to test it first. Start with minimal setup and add pieces as you become more confident. Learn the fundamentals of composition, focus, and exposure for cameras. Master microphone placement and recording levels for audio. Experiment with 3-point lighting in a small space. Quality comes from understanding your tools, not from how expensive they are. For cameras, choose based on your budget and use case. 1080 pixels is the minimum, but 4K is ideal. Good autofocus is essential. For audio, invest in a quality microphone and position it correctly. Test your levels before every recording. For lighting, use 3-point setup as your standard. Keep color temperature consistent across all lights. LED panels offer the most versatility. Remember, start simple and upgrade gradually. Quality content comes from understanding your tools.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.